Hi guys, and welcome to a new video from Flying Raven Studios. In this video we're going to be looking at different dry brushes that you can use, from the expensive right through to the great ones that you can just pick up from the everyday shop. So come back after this and see what we've got. So let's take a look at the first three brushes. These are the large brushes, and as you can see, this is the large mop flat head brush. It's great for getting kind of large areas. The next one up is the bright large mop head brush. Again, this one's are good for kind of if you're doing scenery sections and you want to do dry brushing with that. It's really good for it because you can do large volumes of area quite quickly. The last one is the large mop angle head. This one, it doesn't get used that much, but it's handy to get a bit different texture. It gives you kind of a variation on the other two, and you can use it and it kind of gives more of a dappled effect. This next group of brushes is the medium size one. I've only got two for this one, but it gives kind of a good variation. So you've got a medium bright brush again. You can see the angle and the softness of the bristles. Works really well. Again, this is for more of your kind of dreadnoughts or that size scale miniatures, and again it gives a good finish. This next one is the angled brush. Again, this is a smaller version of the large one. Obviously this is the medium one, and again it gives that different textured finish once you use it. Last but not least are the small brushes. Now you might think small brushes, dry brushing, you might not need it, but actually I use these more for kind of your standard infantry. They just give you a bit more control, and as you can see, this is the small bright brush. Again, very similar to the other ones, just a smaller version of it. The next up is the small FILBERT brush. Now this one's a bit different. This one, we don't have it any larger than this. This one gives you kind of almost like a point to the tip, but again, works perfectly well as a dry brush. The last one is the small round brush. Now this is for very, very small areas of dry brushing. Again, this is not one that I use that much, but it's handy to have in your kit if you want to do really, really small detailed dry brushing. So the other kind of dry brushes that you can get are as we said, the more professional ones. Now these come with a slightly larger price bracket and come in a lovely kit like this. This kit has a large, a medium, a small and an extra small. It kind of gives you the full variation of what you need to be able to do, a bit like what we've already discussed with the other ones. It also comes with a dampening pad. Now this is where you just put a little bit of water in there and it keeps, you can kind of get the right consistency for your dry brushing. Also, the most important part with this kit is the brush soap. What you want to do is obviously maintain your brushes. This is obviously used to just give your brushes a very good clean once you've kind of used them for a little while. Just keeps those bristles nice and soft. As you can see, there is a vast range of different paintbrushes to use, from the ones that you can get that we class as professional ones, all the way through to the ones that you can pick up from just a beauty store. It's just depending on what you want and honestly what your budget is. Either or, I hope this has helped. I hope this has explained and kind of shine a light on a little bit of that dry brush myth. If it has, or if you have any questions, please stick something in the comments box below and we'll get back to you. Don't forget to press the subscribe button, hit that like button and ping the bell button. That means you can keep up to date with everything that we've got coming out. I hope that helped. Until next time. Bye!